I don't think Masicka had the right or Masicka even ready to match up to Tommy Lee's level to really clash him.
What do you think about the clash between Masicka and Tommy?
Well, right now, honestly, I believe Masicka being a part of a former student at the Gaza camp. Masicka's, Tommy Lee has proved himself over and over as a champion within the dancehall space, and him basically come up to the ranks of a grade.
Yeah.
Vybz Kartel basically mold him and school him. So I don't think Masicka had the right or Masicka even ready to match up to Tommy Lee's level to really clash him. But Masicka is a lyricist, he's potent with his lyrics, him understand the whole game. He's going for the tune, he's going for a space within dancehall. He's already somewhat of a column in dancehall, but he's not worthy to clash Tommy Lee. He's not worthy to clash Tommy Lee at all. But the Gaza camp with Tommy Lee is getting a severe beating because Masicka is just showing some heavy hits. But I feel like Tommy is winning right now. Somewhat of a godly part, I'd say. He wouldn't really answer to Masicka because to him, Masicka, as he said in a previous interview, they're like mosquito bites. He just slap them and continue conversation. So he's just continuing to just do him and allow his students to defend him right now because he doesn't feel as if Masicka is a contender.